Now. Hello everyone, my name is Promise Bass, popularly known as the Advanced Bass Tutorials. I'm here to show you a very powerful and beginners-friendly hammer-on riff. It is very, very powerful for your praise and worship sessions. This will spice up your worship mood as a bassist. So without wasting time, I'm going to play it, then I will break it down. If this is your first time coming across my videos, if this is what you're looking for, please click the subscribe button and share this video. So I will play it on the key of G, then I will break it down. I'll play it again. So it's very simple. Let me break it down. On the key of G, you can play it on any key, by the way. Then I'll bring a song in and we'll fix it in. On your fifth string, you play your fifth, which is your Fa. Then you hammer 6 and 7. Like I said, it's a hammer-on technique. It's a hammer-on. It's all a hammer-on. So 5, 6, 7. Then 1. Fourth string, then number 3 string again, you play 5, 6, 7. So you have 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7. Then where this finger stops, the note on top, which is your 3, then you use your index finger. 3, 7, 8, and 1. So you have 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 3, 7, 8, 1. This is all about the scale. The rest is just octave repetition. So you have 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 3, 7, 8, 1. You continue again. Slowly. Then. Are you there? So everything is like this. Let's fix it into a song. But mind you, and the song is on the key of E flat. Don't panic, you can play it anywhere in the bass. Okay, let's go on the key of E flat. Now, okay, I know you are wondering how come the application. Now, this is where the problem is. There is one thing to hear or to learn a scalar pattern, and there's another thing to apply it. Of course, you are not expecting me to fix in the lengthy scale into just one small space. That is where wisdom must not come in as a bassist. When you learn the scale we played was like this. Let's play it now on this E flat. So we have something like this. This is the scale. The rest, like I said, is an octave down. But because now we are playing it on a different key, there's no more space to go further downwards. So wisdom demands that you end it here, because this is the end of the scale. Now, the song we're playing, your name is the highest. You understand? Now, that space, let's calculate the space. Your name is the highest. Your name, let's say 2 bars, okay? 2 bars. That 2 bar space is not enough to fix in the entire thing, because you have to understand a terminating point and a point where you have to relate it back to the progression, okay? So there's a point you take the scale to, there's a point where you have to terminate the scale and reverse it back to the progression. Your name. So you can play your name. And please mind you, I have to fix it on the Fa, which is the 5th chord of that progression. You can also put it on your 7 or your 6, So it depends on you. That is it. So I hope you have learned something today. In your free time, sit down, look for a song, and practice how to fix it in and out. And I believe this will change your bass or your worship sessions forever. I know you have learned something today. Please, if you have learned something, click the subscribe button, share this video, give me a thumbs up, and God bless you.